Question: where must you save your PHP files? Answer: examp/htdocs. Question: how do you use echo? Answer: echo, quotes, hello, and a semi. Hello in quotes and a semi. Question: what are the four scalar types? Boolean, integer, float, string. Question: how do you assign a value to a variable? $x equals 55 semi, $y equals salary, quotes, semi. Question: how do you make a numeric array with values 10, 20, and 30? $x equals array parens 10, 20, 30 with a semi. Array is a keyword. Question: how do you print out element 1? This guy here, 0, 1, 2. Echo $x 1 squares semi. Question: how do you make a vertical array with New York, New Jersey, and Miami in it and print out Miami? $x 0 squares equals New York, $x 1 squares equals New Jersey, $x 2 squares equals Miami, then echo $x 2 squares semi, and that brings me to Miami. Question: how do you make a pointer-like array? $x equals array, parens, and a semi. Inside, in single quotes, sales, close quotes, arrow, 2014 in parens, comma. Next element, export, in single quotes, and then arrow, and then in parens, oil. All of that within parens and semi. How do you print out 2014 oil with that array? These guys, the ones that are being pointed to. Echo $x, sales, in quotes, and squares, and a semi. $x, export, in single quotes, and squares, and a semi. Question: how do you put an array into an array? $x equals array, parens array, then parens 10, 20, 30, 40, closing matching parens, and then semi. How do you print out 30 within that array? Answer: echo $x 0 squares 2 in squares semi. Question: how do you put two arrays into an array? $x equals array, then parens, matching parens over here, purple to purple, then array, that's your 0th array, and over here, that's your 1th array. So 0th array, parens 10, 20, 30, 40, close parens, comma, next element, array, that's 1, parens 50, 60, 70, 80, close matching parens. And that's it, semi at the end. How do you print out 80? This guy here. Echo $x squares 1, that's this array, and then second parameter 3 in squares, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, and a semi. Can you make a multi-dimensional array holding USA and in the next position Norway, Finland, and Sweden? That would have to be an array. Of course we can. Let's do it. $x equals array. So I get my array, and within the array, I've got another array. And these are the elements in it, USA, comma, then another array, in which I have Norway, Sweden, and Finland. And then closing matching parens, semi. 3 of them. Can you print out Finland? Okay, there's Finland. Very end. So it would be echo $x012. Well, what do those match to? Map to. 0 goes to array. 1 goes to that array, the 1th element. The first one was the 0th offset. Within that, the 1th offset, second array. And within that array, the 012th offset. So it's echo $x 012, all those guys within squares, semi. Can you print out England? Sure can. Echo in squares, 1, 1, and 0. So there's my offset 1. Next element, offset 1. That's the next array. And then the next offset is 0, which is England. And this is George Boole. Bye-bye.